Housing markets rise and fall, economies go through recessions, and real estate cycles constantly change. Yet luxury real estate always seems to survive and recover over the long term. So why does high-end property continue attracting wealthy buyers even during uncertain times? The answer is that luxury real estate operates differently from the average housing market. Prime locations, limited supply, global demand, prestige, and long-term wealth preservation make these properties attractive to investors and ultra-wealthy buyers around the world. Today we will talk about why luxury real estate never truly dies, so before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. Luxury real estate survives even when other markets collapse. When economic crises hit, many asset classes experience sharp declines. Stocks fall, speculative investments crash, and lower-tier real estate markets can slow significantly. But luxury real estate often behaves differently. Prime properties in global cities, exclusive neighborhoods, waterfront locations, and historically prestigious areas tend to hold value far better than most people expect. Even during recessions, there are always wealthy buyers who continue seeking rare, high-quality properties. This creates a unique dynamic where luxury real estate does not follow the same emotional cycles as average housing markets. 9. Scarcity is built into luxury property locations. One of the strongest reasons luxury real estate never truly dies is scarcity. Unlike stocks or digital assets that can be created in large quantities, prime real estate locations are permanently limited. There is only one central waterfront in a city, only a few elite districts, and only a limited number of properties with specific views, architecture, or historical significance. Over time, as cities expand and populations grow, these limited locations become even more valuable. Wealthy investors understand that scarcity is one of the most powerful long-term drivers of value. 8. Wealth concentration keeps demand alive. Luxury real estate is strongly connected to global wealth distribution. As wealth grows in different parts of the world, more high-net-worth individuals enter the market for premium properties. These buyers are less affected by short-term economic fluctuations because their purchasing power remains high even during downturns. This creates a consistent baseline of demand for luxury homes in major global cities. Wealthy individuals often compete for lifestyle, status, safety, and global mobility, and luxury real estate plays a central role in all of these factors. As long as wealth continues concentrating globally, demand for elite properties tends to remain structurally strong. 7. Luxury real estate combines utility with status. Unlike many investment assets, luxury real estate provides both practical use and emotional value. It is not only an investment, it is also a place to live, work, host, and experience lifestyle benefits. At the same time, it carries strong status signaling. Owning property in prestigious locations often represents success, stability, and financial achievement. This combination of utility and prestige makes luxury real estate resilient, because demand is driven by both necessity and identity. 6. Prime locations become more valuable over time. Location is one of the most important factors in real estate, and in luxury markets, it becomes even more powerful. As cities develop, infrastructure expands, and economic activity grows, prime areas often become even more desirable. Historic districts, business hubs, waterfront zones, and culturally important neighborhoods tend to appreciate because they cannot be replicated elsewhere. Over time, improvements in surrounding infrastructure, such as transportation, education, healthcare, and commercial development, can further increase the attractiveness of these areas. Luxury real estate benefits from this long-term urban evolution, making it more resilient than many other asset types. 5. Luxury real estate attracts global buyers, not just local markets. Another reason luxury real estate remains strong is its global demand base. Unlike average housing markets that depend mainly on local buyers, Luxury properties often attract international investors, corporations, and wealthy individuals from around the world. This global pool of buyers creates stability because demand is not tied to one economy alone. If one region experiences a slowdown, buyers from other regions may still invest in premium properties. This international nature helps luxury real estate maintain long-term value because it operates on a much broader financial scale than standard residential markets.
4. Inflation often strengthens high-end property values. Inflation can negatively affect savings and fixed income assets, but real estate, especially luxury real estate, often behaves differently. As construction costs, land values, and material prices increase, replacement value for high-end properties also rises. At the same time, wealthy buyers tend to move capital into tangible assets during inflationary periods to preserve purchasing power. This combination can support luxury property values over time. While short-term volatility still exists, luxury real estate often acts as a store of wealth that adapts better to inflation compared to purely cash-based holdings. 3. Emotional value makes luxury real estate hard to replace.
Ocean views, skyline penthouses, mountain estates, and architectural landmarks carry emotional significance that cannot be easily replaced by other investments. This emotional attachment reduces the likelihood of mass selling during downturns, because owners are often less willing to liquidate properties they personally value highly. 2. Limited supply meets long-term wealth growth. Over time, global wealth tends to increase, even if unevenly. As more individuals accumulate significant financial resources, demand for luxury housing continues to rise. However, supply does not expand at the same pace, especially in prime urban locations where land is already developed. This imbalance between increasing demand and fixed supply creates long-term upward pressure on luxury real estate values. 1. The real reason luxury real estate never truly dies. The deeper truth about luxury real estate is that it endures because it combines three powerful forces that rarely weaken at the same time: permanent scarcity of location, continuous growth of global wealth, and human desire for status, comfort, and security. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.